The most important thing shoppers should look for when purchasing a mouthwash is the inclusion of the word antiseptic on the label. Antiseptic is defined as being able to make the area free from bacteria or microorganisms. Some mouthwashes only mask the smell of bad breath using something like peppermint oil. These mouthwashes should be avoided by people suffering from bad breath because they don't fight the bacteria, just the smell. Most mouthwashes will have some antiseptic effect, but the precise method they use to create that effect can help determine which is more effective overall. Alcohol is common in mouthwash because of its bacteria-fighting properties. Technically speaking, a 70% concentration of alcohol is the most effective at fighting bacteria, but such high levels of alcohol in mouthwash may cause problems. Aside from the possibility of children drinking mouthwash for the alcohol content, alcohol is also known to dry out the mouth. People with dry mouths also suffer from bad breath, so while alcoholic mouthwash kills bacteria, it does not affect the end result of that problem. Therefore, mouthwashes which do not contain alcohol but have another bacteria-killing agent are more effective. Other possible ingredients in mouthwash for bacterial prevention and reduction include sodium fluoride and hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide can still cause some drying of the mouth, but this isn't as pronounced as the effect caused by alcohol. Sodium fluoride is another possible ingredient in mouthwash for bacterial prevention. Typically, this chemical is used in pesticides, but research has shown that mouthwashes containing it are effective at killing bacteria. Fluoride also helps to fight cavities. Overall, most brands of mouthwash will be effective at killing bacteria. The use of mouthwash for bacteria is primarily to combat bad breath, so alcohol-containing brands are not as effective as alcohol-free brands. It is important to note that people suffering from bad breath should also be sure to brush their teeth regularly and to floss to help the problem.